Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am coming back at you with another dumpster dive haul video today. I know it's been a little while since my last video, and I know I have said that all of my videos for the past 2 or 3 months. But like everyone, quarantine's been a little crazy. Definitely a change of pace for me. But I'm still dumpster diving when I do go out. I am in Michigan and we are still on a stay-at-home order, so our stores are still closed, which makes my findings a little bit more limited, and I'm not driving nearly as much out and about, but I have found some fabulous things that I want to share with you today. This haul is going to have like 2 parts. This first one is the fun things, the aesthetic things, the things that I'm really super excited about, and then the next half will also be some cool things, but more basic things when it comes to dumpster diving, for me at least. I'm sure you can see right off the bat some things that I would be super happy about, so let's get right into the haul. Over here, I actually had 4 of these. These are little Easter wreaths. Let me prop it up. It has this little rabbit peeking through, made out of like natural materials. He has his eyeballs, some greenery. Obviously, it's all fake. But I have 2 currently. I had 4. I gave 1 to my mom and 1 to my sister. So that leaves me with 2. Super cute for Easter next year. I do think that with this haul, I might have found the end of my Easter dumpster diving finds. But that's fine with me because it is basically June. So ready for some summertime things. Underneath that is like a little, I mean, it looks like a wreath, but I would keep it down on a table and put something in the middle of it. Again, Easter has little speckled eggs on it. Some of them were missing, and this one is broken in half, but I can just add some more. I have some that are very similar to this. And even if I just took that one off, I still think it looks fine. These little fake ivies kind of bother me, so I might take those off. But aside from that, it's like this nice sturdy wood form. And I like that as well. Okay, right behind that is this picture. It says, "Home is where the heart is," as you guys can see. It's matted. It has this cute little house shape here with some green leaves painted on. This is from the Bed and Bath store, BBB. And I have 2 of them, as you can see. These were each $30. And this store in my location is not open yet. I don't even think that this location I found them at are doing order online and pick up curbside, because every time I drive by there are 0 cars there, like no employee cars or anything. I know that some locations are, but this one I don't think is. So I'm assuming they just might be getting prepared, and this broke when they were opening it up. This one, the glass is shattered out. That's why these were thrown out, because they were in their little shipping box together, both of them. This one is completely fine, nothing wrong with it. This one is also completely fine, it just doesn't have the glass. So I asked my sister, she's going to be getting that one, and I will keep the other for me. Okay, this is a little bit silly, and technically this is not a dumpster dive find, but it is a free find, so I'm including it. I am on some free cycle and free giveaway pages on Facebook where people in the community can give away things that they don't want anymore. And somebody had posted a broken baby mobile, like that you hang in the crib and it spins, except it didn't spin and it didn't like have the mechanism or anything. So I gave it a while, like over a day, and nobody had commented on it. And I was like, those sheep are so cute. So I said I was interested. I took it. Obviously, I cut them off because I don't need a mobile. I don't have a baby. Or am planning on having a baby soon. Definitely not. But I thought the sheep were adorable, so I cut them off, and I took them, and I'm just going to, put them somewhere. We'll come back to these guys. Starting with this basket, this is actually from residential dumping, or not dumping, but somebody's trash. They were throwing this out. It was on the side of the road with their other heaps. It does have some issues, but it's this awesome woven wicker basket, which I love. It's a little bit indented on the sides, but I think it's fabulous, so I took that. Same with this star. Again, it might have been for a baby, but, I think it's cute. It's very fuzzy and soft. This was on the Free Cycle page on Facebook as well, so look how cute they are together. Okay, Okay, inside this basket, which came from the pharmacy, is this little herb garden. It doesn't say what herbs it has. Well, I can tell you because it was brand new in its packaging. It has its seed packets right here. Cilantro, basil, and parsley. Okay. Those aren't like the typical herbs that you find in herb gardens, but I'm not complaining. I think it's kind of cool. So it has the seeds. It has these little these little soil starter things. And then in here it also has 3 brand new terracotta pots and saucers. So that was a great find. And also from the pharmacy are these orchids. How exciting. I've been wanting to find plants. It's not like what I found last year. Actually, I didn't find any orchids last year. But last year I found, my, what are these? Dragon plant, something like that. My snake plants, my pothos over here. He's up there, don't mind the table. My Christmas cactuses, everything like that. I haven't found any of those this year, and I'm thinking it might be a little too far gone. Last year I found them right after Mother's Day, but that's okay. I did find these orchids. I have 6 of them. These were retail $19.99, which is a little bit crazy to me, but they come in these super cute little ceramic white milky pots. I also have one over here that's not doing the greatest, but I'm going to try to nurse him back to health. But these 5 are absolutely gorgeous. I have this kind of chartreusey colored one right here. This one's white with purple. This one is white with like a darker purple. This one's also kind of chartreuse, and then this one's a little bit lighter pinky purple back here as well. They were not like in absolute perfect condition, but they're definitely alive and they're going to be thriving. I gave them some water, and I actually gave them some orchid food, I guess you could call it, orchid fertilizer. So I'm hoping that these thrive in my home with the rest of my plants. All right, so there's the first part of the haul. Let me reset and I will be right back. All right, back with the next part of the haul, a little bit smaller and not quite as fun. But I have a little bit more Easter here. Like I said, I think this will probably be the last of it, which is fine because I have found quite a bit of candy this year, but no baskets. I didn't find any Easter baskets, so I'll just have to get those next year, but no big deal. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these filled candy egg hunt eggs. They are eggs, obviously pre-filled with candy. And these dates are October 2021, so these will be fine for next Easter. I'll just keep them in my house until then. I have 2 of these SpongeBob little Krabby Patties ones. That's super cute. 2 of these Disney mix ones with princesses, Toy Story, Mickey, Minnie, and then 1 Frozen egg hunt. And they're all filled with candy. Super cute. And then I have 2 of these Trolls candy egg dispenser. You just push down on the thing, and then once it's ready, like once it's taken out, the candy will pop out. So that's it for the Easter. The rest of this also came from the pharmacy, and guys, I've been holding on to this for so long, I'm not going to lie, that some of it has since been eaten. So just imagine here with this pack of golden Oreos that there's like a family-sized pack of birthday cake Oreos, and over here there's some lemonade, stuff like that. So there's a little bit more than what is shown here because it has been consumed. So we have a pack of golden Oreos, this cute stemless wine glass that says liquid therapy. It's pink with glitter. This is cute. It's this one right here. It's like the little cat with the unicorn horn and the stars on it. It is a Moosh Moosh hooded blanket for kids. I think it's new. It has the plastic still on it, so that's super cute. It was $25. Behind that I have some feminine products which will be donated, some cotton pads, and some Depends. Oh, and I already put away 2 boxes of Kleenex that are broken on the ends, like the cardboard came unglued. Those are already put away. My allergies have been horrible, like the worst they've ever been. So I've been going through Kleenex like no tomorrow. So I will be keeping the Kleenex. These will be donated. I have a thing of Healthy Shape Prebiotic Fiber, Benefiber, and the date on that isn't until February 2022. And then I have some drinks, this caffeine-free Diet Coke 2-liter, 4 various water bottles, like a Smart Water Core, another Smart Water, and then whatever this is, Body Armor. Those will be cleaned up and given to my sister. Some mini Mountain Dews, and then a whole case of Coors Light beer, which I still find interesting when stores throw away alcohol because I just don't know the legality of it. Like, what if I was underage and I took it? I don't know. Not really sure. But I'm not underage and I did take it. I won't be drinking it. I don't like alcohol, but I'm sure my boyfriend will. So that is that for the haul today. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around. I will have some more videos coming out a little bit quicker. So don't, what am I trying to say? Be sure to look for those in the next few days here. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back soon with more dumpster diving related videos. Thank you.